Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to this discussions. Today we are going to discuss regarding the chemistry, A-level chemistry, paper 4, structural chemistry syllabus. As per syllabus, you know, A-level chemistry is not so easy like O-level chemistry, and there is a massive understanding subject issues related to A-level chemistry. I hope the learners will realize the syllabus and understand the complete syllabus before starting A-level chemistry. And I am going to introduce you the video book of A-level chemistry. This this video book is much more enough for you to complete your academic problems or solutions and to prepare yourself as well for the final examination. So before going to start regarding the demo video of video book A-level chemistry, we are going to introduce regarding the syllabus of A-level chemistry. Let's start. The video book will be like this as a PDF form, and then this will be at the website page. If we go to our website page, then you will hear R1 English medium. Just click here, and then you will find here the page. In this page, the video will be linked A-level online here, and then you will get the details of A-level chemistry for Cambridge and Edexcel curriculum. So this is the name of the subject under which you will get the details after complete registrations. And right now at the website, the link are inactive, but when you will register and make payment, you will get the details links of website of your page, uh, and all the subject matters for which you have registered already registered. You will get the details, subject matters and the contents and the uh, exclusive notes and the world class standard uh, questions and answers and the related documents and the online exams buttons and the MCQ are related to the mark scheme and all the papers of AS and A level regarding Cambridge curriculum. So these are the web page where you will get the details of video book. After purchasing a video book, you will get a link of a page like this, and from this page you will get the detail. Now what will be the arrangement, or what about the arrangement of the video book? Before going to discuss the arrangement of the video book, I would like to define the video book. What is video book? Video book is basically a book related with subject matter or the content or the questions and answers and video discussions of that questions. I mean, a question and its answer and the video discussions of that questions. So that if you watch the video discussion, you will understand the subject matter or the indication or the inner views of the questions and the answers, so that you can answer these types of questions easily from the basic discussion. When we are discussing regarding the questions and the answer, we also discuss the basic to pro level informations regarding that questions that will give you the immense value and the crystal clear vivid pictures of that question that will help you to get the complete preparations of that paper smoothly and positively within a shortest possible time. At the end of the courses, you will get the short suggestions for the final exam. As you will go for the details regarding the past paper solutions at the video book, so there will be there is no requirement. There will be no requirement for you to get the teachers. These video books will guide you all through the process, and you will get the all solution from the online teachers community. So the students from the different part of the world or the globe can join or can take part into our online classes so to solve their academic problems. So before going to this is the definition of the video book and why. Now the questions why you will buy the video book. And you can see here this is the these are the syllabus details of AS level and A level chemistry. And then today's discussions, these video books regarding the demo of this one, paper 4 theory, structured questions. And that is the questions that will be structured and you have to be uh, ready. You have to be ready to answer these types of questions. There are few basic tricks and tips. If you try to understand and learn and practice again and again, then you will be able to answer all the questions of the question paper from these video books, because we did not exclude any important topics or the any topic subject matters. So you will get the details conceptions as per your syllabus. So these are the most important part of the video book, because these books is not only provide you the subject matters of the contents of the notes of that subject matter, but also the videos and the past paper solution. So this is the discrimination between the other papers or the available content or the books in the market. So I think you have understand or you have clearly got a picture, direct pictures the between the discriminations of the normal book and the video book, and why this book will abstain you from teachers, because the all the subject matters are discussed chronologically, gradually, and smartly, with using the teacher's motivational balance method and the tricks and tips. You will learn the secret method, how to memorize the concept and how to uh, keep in good positions yourself for the final preparations of the examination. So in that case, this book is a rare book for you, for the O level, and A level is for the A level students. Although we have video books for O level, but now today's discussion is not for that. So I'm going to mention a few points from the why you will buy video book. These are the topics. These are the main point that will make you understand and that will make you ready to buy the video book. Most prominent part is that you look at the point number 10. Online support as only as one daily basis from night 10 p.m. to 3 p.m. every day, and full day on Friday and Saturday. So there is a lots of time here. You will get the live support for the video book, and the gradual development or the discussion or upgradation will be added to your page, online page. And if you want to download any video from the website, then it is possible for you to understand and to download and to watch again and again. Although all the videos and all the question papers on the notes are will be arranged accordingly at your page on page. So there is no need at all to download any content. You will get all details here, and it will be once you have registered and make payment, you will get the ID, lifetime ID. And until unless you are not telling us that you do not need this, then the page will remain open. So these are the subject matters that we will cover for the video book. And then first questions today, we will also discuss few questions from the past papers. And then these are the March 24 questions. And then you will have that question number one. We can see here question number one. Before we are going to start here, we would like to start here from this, and you will get the details picture. So I hope that you have really understand why this is gonna be most important for you, and to understand the concept of the video book and to use it to get the complete preparations of your academic problem. So this is very much unique point to understand and to get the things as yours, so that you can go and you can cover the whole papers at your home without going to anyone. because a video book is going to provide you the content, recorded video, live discussions, and teacher support. So what are you, why are you waiting for? You just inbox us and buy the book and start your journey. A-level chemistry paper 4. This is before going to discuss the past paper questions, we are in need to understand the two basic concept, and that this will make you the basic to pro level consideration or the understanding. Though these two topics, entropy and the enthalpy, is not our consideration of discussion in details, because will discuss these 2 points in details with animations in later. But to understand to this today's discussion, this is we want to recapitulate this 2 point, because this is gonna help you to understand the today's discussions or the past paper question that we are going to discuss within the few seconds of time. So before going to that, we would like to define the enthalpy. Enthalpy is the change of heat or energy in the system. Just simply mind it that enthalpy is the change of energy. Energy means such a system energy. What is system? System is defined as the any part of the universe. Any part of the universe. Think that you are watching this video by sitting on the chair or attached to table. So think that this is one type of system. As we defined that the system is defined as the any part of the universe. This one also may be denoted as the system. You can see here, you can tell this that this is also a closed system. So there are different types of systems, but we are not here to discuss that. Just we will try to understand the enthalpy. Here you can see that the change of the heat. What is heat? Heat is one type of energy. So the gross or the master definition of enthalpy is the change of energy of within the system. Change of energy within the system is defined as the enthalpy. And we will try to understand this concept by using these pictures here. We can see here that this is a system, closed system, and this is the water molecule here, and we are providing heat. um, from the at the primary stage, the temperature of this water was 0 degree centigrade, and later on, after getting or absorbing heat from the heat burner, it gets the temperature 100 degree centigrade. Till then, if we continue to provide heat to the system, then the water molecule will absorb the heat and try to convert to the steam. So in this case, you can see here the at the zero level temperature, water 0 degree centigrade, and we provide a temperature to increase the temperature to 100 degree. So these types of these types of energy that we have provided to increase the temperature to 100 degree centigrade is the sensible energy. And till after that, when the temperature of the water gets the 100 degree centigrade, till then, if you continue to provide heat, then it will try to go for steam. The temperature between the difference of uh, between the difference of 100 degree centigrade and steam, uh, the absorbed energy is known as the latent heat. So there are two different terms we learned here at the sense. One is the first one is um, 100 degree centigrade to 100 degree centigrade, that is called sensible energy, and the second one is 100 degree centigrade for the steam is the latent energy, latent heat. So the total change of the energy, 100 degree centigrade to 100 degree centigrade to 100 degree centigrade steam, or 0 degree centigrade to 100 degree centigrade steam, is known as the change of the energy. So enter and enthalpy is expressed in the capital H, and unit is joule. So H equal to U plus PV. That is U. Here U is the energy. Here U is the internal energy. Internal energy equal to PE plus K. PE equal to হচ্ছে equal to potential energy, and Ke refers for kinetic energy. So, internal energy of any system may be potential energy, or maybe kinetic energy. So that summations of these two types of energy is known as the internal energy. So we are not going to discuss regarding this issue because this is not our discussion today. Just you try to understand. Uh, Enthalpy is the change of energy of a system. What is system? System is the any part of the universe is a system, and the change of energy of this system is known as the enthalpy. And then another one is entropy. Entropy means such a randomness of molecule, the movement of molecule, the velocity of molecule, the measurement of the velocity of molecule is the entropy. Entropy is denoted as S, an unity joule per kilogram. And then there, we provide the denote that equation as the delta S equal to delta S divided by T. So S equal to S by T. At the standard temperature. Standard temperature, which one is standard temperature? We know that at the absolute zero temperature, or 0 degrees and 0 degree Kelvin, or S equal to zero, standard temperature and pressure equal to standard temperature refers here minus 273 degrees centigrade. Okay, then we are going to learn here from this slide. We have already get a few concepts regarding the entropy and enthalpy. I want to summarize these two topics within a sentence. That is, enthalpy is the change of energy of a system, and entropy is the velocity or the randomness of molecule of that system. Both the things are related to system, but enthalpy is the change of energy, entropy is the movement of energy or randomness of energy. Just keep in mind this sentence, you will get the crystal clear picture. Just keep in mind this sentence and think, and you will get the details pictures of the topics. So now we are going to learn the our question. First questions. um, Potassium iodide, Ki, is used as a reagent in both inorganic and organic chemistry. A. Potassium iodide forms an ionic lattice that is soluble in water. Define the enthalpy change of solution delta H as well. So দ্রবণের enthalpy the change of solutions of change of enthalpy of solution, we have to find out the actual solution or actual amount of change of energy from these questions. Now in the dot area, you have to answer the questions that is asked for to answer you. Define enthalpy change of solution. Now, here, uh, okay, we are going to close it now. Here you can see uh, answered the enthalpy change when one mole of a substance or solid and dissolved in water. Why? Because when a 1 mole of solute are dropping into water soluble or solution, then it will completely mix with the water molecule. At the a certain period of time, you will see that there is no solute. All have been mixed with the water. So there is a change of energy, that is enthalpy change, enthalpy change of enthalpy. As we have earlier discussed the definition of enthalpy. Enthalpy means the change of energy. So solute are going to mix with the water or the solute. So we can see here that at a certain period of time, the solute will completely mix with the water, and there is no sign of solute. So there must be the change of enthalpy. Why? Because the another rules is, when any substance changes from one phase to another phase, there should be change of enthalpy. As the solid substance uh, mixed with the water, and the certain period of time the solid substance disappeared. So you can see here the phase is changing. As the phase is changing, so there will be the change of enthalpy. This is the answer. So if you understand the concept of enthalpy and entropy, then it is not a big question, or this is not a problem at all to answer these questions. Then uh, second questions, potassium iodide has a high solubility in water, although its enthalpy change of solution is endothermic. What is endothermic? Endothermic means the reaction which is receiving temperature from the environment. This is called endothermic reaction. The chemical reaction receiving energy from the system or from the environment is called the endothermic. On the other hand, the chemical reaction which is releasing energy to the environment is called the exothermic reaction. As this is not the part of our discussion, so we are not going to discuss the exothermic and endothermic reaction here, but we will try to answer these questions. Now the question is telling us, explain how this high solubility is possible. Answer: there is a increase in entropy, or delta S. The change of entropy is denoted as delta S. Is positive, or delta S is a positive one, so delta G is negative. If delta S TDS is positive, then delta G is negative, or vice versa. Keep in mind. So we can see here from the we can see here we can see here uh, the two questions. We have already discussed the two questions here. I hope this will help you to understand. And if you have any question, thus send a comment below the video, so that I can get you back in. And the students who have already purchased this video book are advised to complete these two questions as per the video instruction immediately, and get me back shown, so that I can guide you for the next one. Thank you so much for patient sharing. Please like, comment, and share this video to the other students, so that they get information regarding the video book, and get be benefited. So thank you so much for patient sharing.